Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making homemade layered bread, which is called Pogača. It's very easy and simple to make and you can serve it with any meal. You're going to need 4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 2 cups of warm water. Start with 1 cup of warm water, 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, salt, and add just a little bit of flour to activate the yeast. Mix that for about 5 minutes. Then add 1 egg, add the rest of the water and flour. Keep mixing it until it stops sticking to your hands. Put a little bit of oil on the dough and a dish. Cover it with the plastic wrap and set it on the side until it gets double in size. To create a fill, you're going to need 200 grams of butter, 100 grams grated cheese, 3 or 4 tablespoons sour cream, before you mix everything, you need to melt the butter. Add grated cheese into melted butter. And then add sour cream. Mix it all well. After the dough is doubled in size, just take it out of the bowl and just stretch it and cut it in 4 even pieces. And shape each piece in a nice round bowl. It's going to be easier to roll it. Cover it with a towel so the dough doesn't get dried out. Stretch the dough as thin as you can. And don't worry about the shape. Then spread the fill all the way. Then take 1/3 from the top and fold it. And then add fill on the dry side. Then take the bottom third and fold it. And do the same with the fill. Cover the dry area. Then take 1/3 from the left side and fold it, and take the 1/3 from the right, and then cover with the towel. And repeat this 3 more times. After you finish all 4, take the first one and stretch it to the size of a pan that you're going to bake it in. Then when you put it inside the pan, just stretch it with your hand to fit the edges. Then cover it with the fill. Then do the same thing with other 3 layers. Then cover the top just with the butter. Bake it at 392 degrees for first 30 minutes, then reduce it down to 360 and bake it for another 15 minutes. And that's it, it's ready to be served. And when you break it, it's nice and soft and layered. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.